Hello, Safari Explorers! I'm Barnaby the Beat-Explorer. Today we're hunting for animal sounds with my friend Henry the Hippo. Put on your explorer hats. Let's go! Safari, safari, come and play. What do the animals say today? Safari, safari, sing along. Make every sound in our safari song. Through the tall, tall grass we go. Who's that hiding? Do you know? It's the lion. What does the lion say? Can you roar like a lion? Hooray! Stomp, stomp, stomp. The ground goes boom. Who's that splashing by the lagoon? It's the elephant. What does the elephant say? Can you trumpet like an elephant? Woohoo! Safari, safari, swinging, swinging, tree to tree. Who's that laughing? Can you see? It's the monkey. What does the monkey say? Can you giggle like a monkey? Wah! Flying high in colors bright. Who's that talking? What a sight! It's the parrot. What does the parrot say? Squawk. Hello. Can you say hello like a parrot? Hello. Bravo. One more friend down by the river, big and round, a happy quiver. It's Henry. What does the hippo say? Splash. Henry says it's time to play. Splash. Roar like a lion. Roar like an elephant. Giggle like a monkey. Wow. Hello like a parrot. Hello. And splash like Henry. Splash. You know